The most valuable thing we can give is sharing our stories with each other. The first time I walked through the magical doors of QACI, I was only 11. This school became a dream for me. For the next 4 years, I wanted to be one of those celestial QACI beings who took elevators to class. Sometimes you have to take opportunities that are a little out of your depth, or just create your own. And I know that the people sitting in front of me will support me whether I succeed or not. That's the whole point of flying with V Formation. We get the support we need, as long as we are willing to support others when they need it.
At QACI we aspire, we accept the challenge, we embrace the opportunity, and we fly in V Formation. Students, this is your opportunity to make a difference. Use the leadership within yourselves to inspire others, collaborate towards shared goals and persistence, and even when challenges threaten your way. 2019 Student Directors: Cooper McGrath, Josephine Hawley, Winona Van Dam, India Morris, Madeline McRae, Millicent Biggs, Rasheen Wallace-Nash.